Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme GT Neo 2 and let me share with you how to force restart, so how to soft reset your device. So if you've got the situation that your device does not respond to any touches or any commands, then you can try to force restart it, and probably after that, after this operation, it should get back to its normal state. So in order to soft reset it, all you have to do is to simply press the power button, which is on the right side, and the volume up button together and wait. So let me do it. Let me press both of those buttons. Just ignore the notifications you receive and wait until we'll see the black screen. Okay, we've got the black screen. I felt the vibration, so I can release the buttons, and as you can see, we've got the developer's logo right now, and of course we have to wait because the device will be restarted, and hopefully after this whole operation it will get back to its normal state and it will react to your touches and commands. So actually this is it. This is how to soft reset, how to force restart your Realme GT Neo 2. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.